Nakliang MP Katurau Saleng Sangma ubana ka parti Kongres ula penpau ke Jingbitar Hapoh ke yang dorbar Parlimen jong kari India ula ong da ke Jingbitar halor ke jing Kem jong arngut ke sesta ha ke jala Chhattisgarh. Habaya shibata ha ke jingekran u Saleng Sangma ula ong ba ha ke Jaka bakin Kem ya kinong didrok ne ki gang ke sorkar jala jong ke Chhattisgarh ke Kem Pynban ya arngut ke sesta ke ba lui. Bat nakaliang ka seng Kongres Hapoh ka jala Meghalaya kan penlong ka jingeki bat ka jing penremjur halor ka jing Kem jong arngut ki sesta Hapoh Chhattisgarh ya kane la pentip da ka presiden jong ka seng Kongres ka Deborah Marak haslong mata kasngi ka seng gala penremru ya ka jing pendik na ka Porsche ka por ya ki sesta Hapoh kari India.
One more speaker, sir. Instead of catching hold of the drugs cartel and mafia, the government of Chhattisgarh is holding the innocent two Christian nuns, which they were innocent instead of catching all the drugs menace.
Okay, thank you.
Therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir,
thank you.
Without any proper,
Shri
just
Hanuman Beniwal ji, Hanuman Beniwal ji.
सभापति महोदय सबसे पहले तो मैं
regarding this notice, okay, thank you. Meghalaya Congress Committee condemned the harassment of nuns and complicity of authorities in Chhattisgarh incident. Therefore, I request all of you and the citizen of Meghalaya to condemn it. The Congress Committee strongly condemn, once again I am saying, the recent incident of harassment and wrongful detention of nun, 3 girls and a male individual by members of the Bajrang Dal, so-called Bajrang Dal, with apparent complicity from local police authorities. The incident is blatant, violent of democratic principle, religious freedom and the rule of law. That's why from our party side, from MPCT, we strongly condemn this act of carelessness.
Or anything in this regard? Has the party thought about holding any protest?
Yes, today PCC members, including Mahila President, Youth President, we are going to have a meeting, short meeting. We will take decision. We are trying to have a protest tomorrow, maybe in the evening. We'll let you know. So there will be a protest, yes. So we have decided to hold a protest.
Well, ma'am, in the country like that has happened with the nuns, how do you see such type of incidents?
Therefore, we condemn it. In a country like India, in democracy, we must observe, we must practice freely our religion, our culture. Now, very sad thing is that these days, every day you will find this type unlawful activities in the country. Yes, All India Congress Committee representatives met the nuns in jail, providing reassurance and support. The party actively pursuing legal and advocacy measures to rescue to these nuns, and they have asked the government to release immediately.